everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make pão de queijo. If you've ever been to Epcot during the International Food and Wine Festival and gone over to the Brazil booth to order some Brazilian cheese bread, that is pão de queijo, and that's what we're making today. Pão de queijo was one of my favorites to have during the Food and Wine Festival, and since school is starting up again soon, it's a great grab and go for your kiddos. Plus, it's gluten-free. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make pão de queijo, you'll need 1 1/3 cups of tapioca flour, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of grated mozzarella cheese or any cheese of your choosing, and 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. To get started, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large saucepan, place the milk, oil, and salt over a low-medium heat and bring it to a boil. Remove it from the stove and pour the mixture into the tapioca flour and mix it all together. Next, add in the egg and stir until combined. Let the mixture cool for a few minutes, then add in the cheeses and stir until incorporated. Let the mixture cool for a few minutes, then add in the cheeses and stir until incorporated. Scoop the dough into a greased cupcake tin and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until lightly golden brown and puffy. Now you have some delicious cheesy pão de queijo. You can either enjoy them warm or cooled. Personally, they taste amazing warm. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest videos. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a blast making pão de queijo. They went fast in my house, so fair warning if they're popular in yours. If you recreate the pão de queijo or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy a pão de queijo, and have a great day and a great school year.